Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Freshdesk API for lead ticket creation, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate the Freshdesk API for lead ticket creation, start by creating a Freshdesk account if you don't already have one. Once you have your account, log in to your Freshdesk dashboard. Navigate to the API section in your account settings. Here, you will find your API key. Copy the API key, as you will need it for authentication. Open your code editor or preferred programming environment. To make requests to the Freshdesk API, you can use various methods, such as Postman, curl, or a programming language like Python or JavaScript. If you are using Postman, create a new request. Set the request type to post to begin creating a lead ticket. In the request URL, enter the endpoint for ticket creation, which typically looks like this: https://your_domain. Replace your _domain with the actual domain of your Freshdesk account. Next, navigate to the Authorization tab in Postman. Select Basic Auth as your authorization type. In the username field, paste your API key. Leave the password field blank. Now, switch to the Body tab in Postman. Select the raw option and change the format to JSON. In the text field, enter the JSON payload for your new lead ticket. Make sure to include fields like subject, description, and email. Once you've entered the ticket details in JSON format, click the Send button. If your setup is correct, you should receive a success response from the Freshdesk API. Take note of the ticket ID in the response, as this confirms your lead ticket was created successfully. Congratulations, you've authenticated the Freshdesk API and created your first lead ticket. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.